I'm one of the partners of Yorkton Welding and Machine, and we've got 10 employees, and we do everything to do with metal fixing, and anything from a chair to a bulldozer. Yorkton is one of the better places on this end of the province. It's a smaller city, but it draws so many people here. It's unbelievable. When you're shopping local, it helps the community stay together, and it strives from being donations to people that need help, and it's kind of this is a close-knit community, and things really happen here.